A broken garage door cable in Flower Mound, Texas can lead to serious issues. The door may become unbalanced or stuck, causing inconvenience and safety concerns. Garage door cables are under high tension and support the door's weight. Over time, they can wear out or snap due to age, misalignment, improper tension, or rust. If the door is unbalanced, one side is lower, or it struggles to open or close, a broken cable might be the cause. Strange noises like grinding or snapping also signal trouble. A broken cable poses significant dangers. An unstable door can fall or get stuck, risking injury. It can also cause additional damage to the door, leading to costly repairs. If your cable breaks, stop using the door immediately to prevent further damage. Inspect it carefully for visible issues and call a professional for repairs. DIY repairs can be risky and result in injury. A garage door technician in Flower Mound, Texas, is trained to handle high-tension systems safely and efficiently. Professionals use the right tools and techniques to fix your door, providing long-lasting solutions while ensuring safety. In conclusion, a broken cable can disrupt your daily life and pose safety risks. Recognizing the signs early and calling an expert for repair is crucial. Don't wait for more damage. Contact a professional garage door repair technician today for safe, reliable service. Your safety is a top priority.